Installing the Macaw software onto a PC. Tetracam highly recommends that customers consult the Macaw user guide for detailed instructions. The Macaw comes with several programs that can be installed on a PC. These programs are located on the Macaw control tablet. Plug your Macaw control tablet via USB into your PC, and that is a convenient way to access the programs. From here, you can either run the setup files directly from the tablet, or you can copy them onto your PC somewhere first and run them from there. In this video, we will run the files after copying them to a directory on our PC. Navigating to and copying the Macaw software. After plugging in your tablet via USB into your PC, you will see Fire in Windows File Explorer. Double-click on that and you will see Internal Storage. Double-click on that and you will see the Documents folder. Finally, double-click on that. Now you can see three setup files here: Putty, WinSCP, and Xming. There is also a folder that contains the setup files for PixelWrench for Macaw. It is important to know that the Macaw user guide and webinar series are here as well. Now we are going to copy the files to a directory on our PC. We will copy them to a folder on our desktop. First, we hold Control on our keyboard and we click each Macaw software file. Second, we right-click on one of the highlighted files and click Copy. Finally, we open the folder on our desktop, which is called Macaw Software. We right-click in there and we click Paste. Installing PixelWrench for Macaw. Once you've copied the files from the Macaw control tablet onto your PC, double-click on the PixelWrench for Macaw folder. Now double-click on setup.exe. Within a short period of time, the setup window appears. To begin the process of setting up PixelWrench for Macaw, we click Next. It'll ask us what directory we want to install the software in. We're going to install it in the default directory. We're also going to install it for everyone. Now we click Next. Finally, we click Next and the installation procedure starts. When the procedure is done, PixelWrench for Macaw is successfully installed. So we click Close on this window. Installing Putty. To install Putty, we double-click on the Putty installer.msi file. In the window that appears, we click Next. After checking the directory, we click Next. After selecting the options we want, we click Install. When the installation procedure is finished, Putty is successfully installed, so we click Finish. Installing Xming. To install Xming, we double-click on the Xming setup.exe file. In the window that appears, we click Next. After checking the directory, we click Next. There's a choice of components to install here. We're going with the default option, so we click Next. After checking the Start Menu folder location, we click Next. After checking the boxes we want, we click Next. Finally, we click Install. Once the installation procedure is finished, Xming is successfully installed, so we click Finish. Installing WinSCP. To install WinSCP, we double-click on the WinSCP setup.exe file. In the window that appears, there is a license agreement. Once we've read through it, we click Accept. There are two options for installation. We're going to choose the typical installation and we click Next. There are two interface style choices. We're going with the default, which is Commander, and we click Next. Finally, we click Install. Once the installation procedure is finished, WinSCP is successfully installed, so we click Finish.